Hi everyone, this is Pawan. I'm going to continue this find elements and drag and drop method as a second session. Due to some technical issue I didn't complete in the part 1. I'm going to complete this in the part 2. Let me recap what are the actions we have done before. We created one class file and we assigned some element locators for find elements as an li, and we are using an console.log to fetch then all the elements which has wrapped within list link. And now I'm calling these methods into an our Mocha framework. And given the describe it and I imported the page class into this and assign one variable to this, and calling that variable here, and I'm calling the method which has wrapped in the class in the find element session class. Let me execute. You can check by getting that list of elements or not. For executing, and please ensure we have to be run only one file, that is session find elements. So let me check to that wdiver config file. I'm going to mention that name of the file which we need to execute here, that is sessions find elements. If you give star like a wildcard, that means what are the files mentioned in the spec folder, these two will be executed. Here in the spec we have only 2 files, so it will be executed entire 2 files. So my motto, I need to execute only sessions find elements.js file. So I'm mentioning that file name here. Session on find element elements.js. Okay, let me save this. Let me run npm. Let me maximize the browser for that. After entering URL, let the browser need to be maximized. For that, we have discussed the function called browser dot maximize window. After this, I'm going to put some wait browser dot pause for 5 seconds. That means 5000 milliseconds. Let me run. So the find elements is similar to as an find elements will be represented in WebDriver IO as an $. Wherever you find as an $, in WebDriver IO, just imagine it has been representing as find elements. Now the execution has started. It's waiting for the spec file to be run. Execution of one spec file has started. Run on worker start cook has been started, and initiate a new session, and it waiting for listener port. Listener port has been started. listening port of Selenium. That means it is, as we discussed, WebDriver IO is a wrapper for Selenium. So it will start the Selenium backend and it will run WebDriver IO. Now the browser has launched and it launched the URL webdriver.io, and waiting for the web page. Web page has loaded and it need to maximize the window. Something gone wrong. Header collection is not a function. Let me check what be the issue. Let me check the first whether the function is identifying or not. Okay, the function is identifying, and why the browser is not maximized. Okay, we need to use the parenthesis here. I missed that because it has a function. So let me save and rerun. Use the command as npm test after saving to run the particular JS file npm test. It's executing. Capabilities has been started. Listener port has been stated. Browser has launched. URL has entered. Cool, it has maximized the window and it waits for 5 seconds and it has closed. Let me check the console log whether we got our required elements or not. I mean required test which has been given for element of the li tags element.get test. So these are the elements. Element of the li tags, upload file, touch action, set window size, set timeout, set cookies. So everything has been came in this log file. So this will be the about of find elements to print out on all the list of elements in that by using the find elements locator, that is double dollar. Let me go and check for a drag and drop as for the second part of this video. Let me check for an official website for how to use an drag and drop function in an WebDriver IO. Came to official website. Let me type as drag and drop. Yeah, they given the usage how we have to use a drag and drop. Drag and drop is a method. Inside this method, we had to declare a target, and the duration. Duration is an optional part, but we had to give them source. That means initializing of particular element to be dragged. The target need to be as a mandatory, where we need to drop our object, where we have to drop our element. Destination selector, drag options is an drag option is an optional, and duration is also an optional. This is a basic example how they used. Let me construct. Let me check for any website we having any full to give them drag and drop as a demo. choose one website for drag and drop. Here it this website is helpful to give the demo, I think so. So we are doing this activity, right, by dragging and drop. So we'll do by the help of WebDriver by using drag and drop method. Let me go for a practical implementation on this. Let me create one JS file. I'm going to name it as a drag and drop. JS. I'm going to give the message as a drag and drop session. Anonymous function or arrow function. Sorry. Sorry. Let me give it as an it block. I'm going to name it as a test for drag and drop. Test for drag and drop, comma, arrow function. Inside this, I'm going to create two variables. One is for source, that means which we need to pick up option to drag. I'm going to pick up this one. Let me refresh. I'm going to use only one block, that is a draggable one. So I'm going to inspect this. I'm going to take this as an X path. With the help of contains. Here I take it an X path as for the help of contains. So I'm copying this. I would like to create a one constant variable and naming as source. It is only one element, so I'm using as a dollar find element. One more variable as for destination. I'm giving as a dest. Let me drop here, right? So we need to inspect this. I'm going with as a my drop zone as a CSS selector here. Let me copy. Got it. Now I have to use drag and drop method. How we have to use the source variable dot drag and drop inside. Mention that target DST destination. We need to give them browser URL, browser dot URL. Sorry, it's an URL, not get URL. We are just passing the URL to the browser. Copy this. Paste here. And I'm using the browser.maximize window to maximize the browser window. and I'm going to put some weight to check for whether it has been done as a drag and drop action or not. Browser dot pass going to give as a 5000 milliseconds. Let me run only this file. So for that we need to mod check in. Yeah, I already given drag and drop as a .js. So let me run. First let me clear the browser terminal cls. It's taken some mean time to clear the terminal. Yeah, cleared. Let me give the command npm text test. WDIO has initiated. This WDIO is coming from packet.json test command. Let me show that in packet.json. Here it is, test as in WDIO. So that's why it was picking from that. If you click on the debug option also, it will run. These are capabilities as opened. Listening to the Selenium server. Launch the Chrome. Waiting for the URL to enter. URL has been entered, and you need to maximize the window. Well, it maximized. It picked up. Draggable. Something went wrong. Why it not be added here? Let me check once again. I think this browser may, I think this URL may have anything wrong. Need to come here. Let me check whether we having any demo apart from this. I'm facing an issue while doing the drag and drop by an automation. I have found one more simple website which is for helping. Let me try this. Okay, it need to become like this. Once you drop into this droppable drop box. Okay, we'll try to automate this, whether it is working for this or not. We'll try this. Let me refresh. Media inspect. I'm going to use as a CSS selector draggable. Take it as a source, draggable. And it's droppable. I will also take this one as a CSS selector. need to change the URL. Let me copy this. Well, let me run and try whether it has been working or not. npm test. Desired camp build is loaded. Listening port has initiated. Browser has launched. URL has been entered. Need to maximize the window. Window has maximized and the drop option has been done. Well, this is a good way. So this is the way we have to use as a drag and drop function in WebDriver IO. If you have any questions, please make a comment and like and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.